high call series.
Okay, so we have completed the past continuous and now it is past perfect tense. Okay, so past perfect tense structure had plus V3. Okay, had plus V3, third form of the verb. Means what? Past participle form of the verb. Okay, so we can say like the dragon had protected the treasure for years. Okay, the dragon had protected the treasure for years. The dragon had protected the treasure. Had protected. Huh? When for years, when yeah, we can add some more thing to this, like before the king attacked. So before the king attacked the dragon, it had protected the treasure for years. So this is a point of time, isn't it? Yes, the king attacked. So it has completed so many years protecting it before the king attacked it. See here, the king attacked. This is a simple past tense, isn't it? That is in a simple past tense, and this is in the past perfect tense because it had already completed so many years protecting that particular wealth. Okay, the king attacking, that is happening at a point of time, and in that itself, by the time itself, we had completed so many years protecting it. He had completed so many years protecting the wealth, right? So, past perfect tense is the structure is had plus V3. Had plus V3 is the structure of a past perfect tense, and that is used to express an action which have completed in the past in relation to a second action. For example, we will go to the school. Right? Sometimes, the bell goes before we reach the school. So, which action did happen first? The bell? Yes, a ringing happened first. Okay, then what do we say? We can say the bell had ring, rang, rung, isn't it? Rung, yes, before we reached the school. The bell had rung. See here, the bell had rung. Okay, the bell had rung before we reached. So first completed action. Okay, we reaching the school happened in the past. Even before that, this action was completed. What? The bell ringing. Okay, so such activities are expressed using past perfect tense. Right? Okay. So the next is use the verbs given in the boxes in the past perfect tense to complete the following sentences. So, in the front of the grammar part, we have learned about the past perfect tense also, which can be used for expressing past activities, right? Now, 1, 2, 3, 3 sentences are there. We have got 3 verbs in the box also. They are in the past perfect tense form, right? Okay. So, we need to select the suitable one with which we can complete these blanks, right? So, I dashed some snacks before father returned from office. I had killed, we cannot kill snacks, we can kill snakes, isn't it? Yes. So I had taken some snacks. I had taken. Taken means what? Eaten. Okay. So I had taken some snacks before father returned from office. The principal dashed to the classroom before the class teacher came. The principal had come. And the dragon had killed many soldiers before it roared at the king. Yes, even before roaring at the king, the dragon started the process of killing. Right. So I had taken some snacks before father returned from office. The principal had come to the class before the class teacher came. The dragon had killed many soldiers before it roared at the king. Okay, so now I will keep the screen the same for another minute so that you can have a good look at those things, right? Let's spell. Complete the following words by filling the missing letters. Take help of the words given in the box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words are there with some letters missing in that. So we need to identify those letters and yes, we need to identify these words, right? And drag and drop it here. So the first one is dash R dash dash SUR dash. So what can be the word? It can be TRESSURE. So TREASURE, right? TREASURE. Yes, we have a treasure here. So TREASURE treasure. So we will drag this treasure over here. Yes. Second, G dash dash RD dash D. GUARDED. 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 So what is the word there? Guarded. CA dash 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 N. Canon. Yeah. CA NN IN. Canon. Dash ER dash C dash dash US. FEROCIUS. Ferocious, yes. FEROCIUS. Ferocious. S dash R dash N dash dash H. Strength, strength. 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 Dash E dash F dash R dash. WELFARE. Welfare. Right? Okay. Yes. So the first one is TREASURE treasure. The second is GUARDED guarded. Third one is CANON canon. Fourth one is FEROCIOUS ferocious. Fifth one is STRENGTH strength. Sixth is WELFARE welfare. Right? So now I will keep the screen the same for another minute so that we can go through those words once again. spell the words, learn the spellings along with the pronunciation, right? Vocabulary. Yes. Find out the words from the poem The King and the Fairy Dragon, which convey the same or similar meanings of the following words in the and write them. Yes. So here we have got the words like riches, power, anger, valuable, violent, and good. And we need to find the words which have the same meanings like this, which are there in the poem, and write it over here. Right. So riches. Riches means what? Wealth. Isn't it? Riches means wealth. And is there any word which means wealth or wealth itself here? Yes, we have treasures, isn't it? Yes. So riches means treasures. Second, power. Power means strength, isn't it? We have might here. Na? So he was a powerful king, or we can say he was a mighty king, isn't it? He was a powerful king, or he was a mighty king, right? So power means might. Anger. Anger means fury. Anger means fury. He was very furious, means he was very angry. Valuable. Yeah, precious. Very costly, very precious. Violent, ferocious. Good, welfare. Okay. So riches, treasures, power, might, anger, fury, valuable, precious, violent, ferocious, good, welfare. Right? So now I will keep the screen the same for another minute so that you can go through these words once again. Right? Again, check with the meanings of the words and read them. Right? Now in vocabulary we have a word power. Add prefixes this or un to the following words to form new words that mean the opposite. So we know it, isn't it? Yes. We can use this or un before the words and make them their opposite, or the words with opposite meanings, isn't it? Like comfortable, uncomfortable. Or continue, discontinue. Isn't it? Yes. In the same way, we have advantage here. So, should we add dis or un before that to get the opposite of advantage? What do we say? An advantage or disadvantage? We say disadvantage, isn't it? Yes. So, we need to drag this dis from here over here. So, advantage, disadvantage. Now, second one, official. What do we say? Unofficial or disofficial? Yeah, official, unofficial, isn't it? So we need to draw the un from here and drop it over there. So we get an unofficial. Predictable. Predictable means what? Yeah, something we can predict. Something we cannot predict is called unpredictable or dispredictable. Unpredictable. Okay. So we need to draw another un from here and keep it over there, right? Then mount. Mount means what? We have a wall mounted television. No, we have wall mounted television. Means what? Yeah, keep it on something. If we keep it out of it, we call it a dismount, not unmounted. We call it a dismount. Yes. Necessary, unnecessary or disnecessary? Unnecessary, right? Okay, so we will drag un from here. Okay, unnecessary. Then similar, unsimilar or dissimilar? Dissimilar. Okay, so dissimilar. Right? Okay, so advantage, the opposite is a disadvantage, so we added this there. Official, the opposite is unofficial, so we added un here. Then predictable is unpredictable, so we added un there. Then mount, the opposite is a dismount, so we used dis there. Necessary is unnecessary, so we used un there. And similar, it is dissimilar, so we used dissimilar. Right? So now I will keep the screen the same for another minute so that you can read these words once again. Right? Next one. Word power. Unscramble the following letters to form meaningful word and add full at the end to form new words. Okay. So here we have words like A, B, J. It's a kind of scrambled one. We have to unscramble it. Means to keep it in the proper order, find the word, and then we need to add FUL to that. Okay. Like for example, ABG is when we keep it clear, we get it back. BAG, isn't it? BAG. To that word BAG, we need to add a full, then we get a back full. Then we get a back full, and back full is here. We need to drag and drop it there. Clear? Now ANPI, ANPI, PAIN, pain, isn't it? PAIN, pain. And when we add FUL to pain, we get a painful, painful. AECR, yeah, CARE, care, isn't it? We add full to that, we get a careful. right? RMHA. Yeah, HARM, harm. HARM, harm. We add full to that, we get harmful. EIDHLG. Delight, isn't it? DELIGHT. Delight. So delight with the full, delightful. Yes, we have it. Delightful. And this is MOURN. Mournful, mournful. Yes. So BAGFUL, backful. PAINFUL, painful. CAREFUL, careful. HARMFUL, harmful. DELIGHTFUL, delightful. MOURNFUL, mournful. Right? Okay. Now, I will keep the screen the same for another minute so that you can go through these words once again. Right?